Let's begin with our big focus, battleground Bihar. Well, it continues to heat up and both the alliances continue to fire off, heading closer to the elections. Two NDA allies have raised red flags over the seat sharing process, even as BJP released its first list yesterday. HAM's Jitin Ram Manjhi said he was expecting at least 13 seats, but got 6. Though at the same time, he did assure that his party will continue to support the NDA. RLM leader Upendra Kushwaha had stronger words for his allies, saying there is nothing right with the NDA this time. He added that Bihar BJP leaders have not briefed the media about the meeting that RLM had. And on the other side, sources have told NDTV that the RJD is likely to contest from 135 seats and has refused to fight from lesser seats than the Congress. Meanwhile, the CPIML has withdrawn its list of 18 candidates. We've got some crucial reactions lined up for you. Listen in.
एनडीए ने बिहार विधानसभा चुनाव के लिए हमको 6 सीट आवंटित किया है। हमारी अपेक्षाएं थी कि हमसे कम 12-13 सीटें हमको मिलेगी, लेकिन 6 सीट मिली है। हमारे लोग बहुत असंतुष्ट हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं सबको समझाने का। हम भी असंतुष्ट हैं। एनडीए की सरकार बने, नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में सरकार बने, ऐसी मेरी अपेक्षाएं हैं।
सम्राट जी थे, नित्यानंद राय जी थे, उन लोगों ने क्या कहा? तो जब हाथ जोड़कर वो चले गए तो फिर अब उनसे पूछना चाहिए था ना।
सर, आप नाराज हैं या नहीं है सर?
नाराज और प्रसन्न होने का कोई मामला नहीं है। दिस टाइम नथिंग इज वेल in NDA.
My colleague Raman Rai has been tracking the latest that's developing regarding the Bihar seat sharing rumble. HM and RAM have been disgruntled over the seats. Raman, how serious are Jitin Ram Manjhi and Upendra Kushwaha's objections?
Exactly. All is not well in NDA. Last night, Upendra Kushwaha message is very clear that he said he is unhappy, Jitin Ram Manjhi is unhappy, and these two parties are unhappy with the numbers of seats which was divided in the NDA alliance over the Chirag Paswan, because Chirag Paswan is the one who got maximum numbers of seats in the NDA alliance over these two parties, and that's why these two are unhappy with the numbers of seats sharing in NDA. Also, Nitish Kumar is unhappy in this NDA alliance because some of the seats of JDU's quotas were given to the Chirag Paswan. That's why last night also Samrat Chaudhary and Nityanand Rai went to the residence of Upendra Kushwaha and trying to settle down the things, but things are not well in NDA, and right now Upendra Kushwaha and Nityanand Rai are leaving for Delhi to meet Amit Shah there in Delhi over the seat sharing talk, and seat sharing final discussion will take on place in Delhi. And right now Jitin Ram Manjhi is also upset because Jitin Ram Manjhi said that he will field candidates from the two seats, the Makhdumpur seats and the Bodh Gaya seat. These two seats are in the quota of Chirag Paswan, and Jitin Ram Manjhi is very unhappy with the decision of the NDA in the seat sharing formula, and that's why Upendra Kushwaha is unhappy, Jitin Ram Manjhi is not happy, Nitish Kumar is unhappy. So this is a very tough situation for BJP to get down things settled in the NDA alliance, as well as compared to the seat sharing for numbers of seats that Chirag Paswan were given in this alliance. So next upcoming 1 or 2 days is very important because 17 is the last day to file nomination for the first phase of election in Bihar.
Raman, as always, thank you so much for taking us through all the latest developments and all that's unfolding behind the scenes. As Raman is reporting, Mr. Manjhi, Mr. Kushwaha and Mr. Nitish Kumar seem to be slightly disgruntled at the moment, but the next 48 hours will be crucial to watch out for all the political developments. Aishwarya Jain is also joining us with the latest currently. Aishwarya, you've been tracking the opposition camp and all that's happening behind the scenes. Take us through the latest as far as the Mahagathbandhan and their moves are concerned.
Well, yesterday there was a CEC that was convened in the national capital, and the Congress party so far has also, decided their candidates as far as next 25 seats are concerned. So till now, the Congress party, the sources have indicated to us that they have decided at least 50 candidates for their party to fight for upcoming Bihar Assembly elections 2025. But still. There is a suspense over the seat sharing pact between the Mahagathbandhan, who will get how many seats, and what will be the selection of seats is something that haven't been finalized yet. As Tejasvi Yadav tried to reach out to Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge the day when the Yadav family was in the national capital, but it was without any meeting. Tejasvi Yadav went back to Patna, but certainly there are upcoming meetings that are scheduled today as well. In all likelihood, there is going to be the Mahagathbandhan that will be finalizing today their seat sharing pact, as there has been closed door and back channel talks which are constantly going on between the leaders of these parties. But the demands are huge as far as CAP-IML is concerned, the VIP is concerned. They are also not very much happy. So as Upendra Kushwaha and Jeetam Ram Manjhi in the NDA stated that all is not well, certainly all is not very well in the India camp as well.